Friends, today I bring to you a mega infrastructure project of our country, namely the Bullet Train project, which will connect the cities of Mumbai and Ahmedabad in Maharashtra and Gujarat respectively. This distance of 508 kilometers will be covered in under 3 hours, and there will be 12 stations en route. The project is a brainchild of the Government of India and the Government of Japan, and its foundation stone was laid by our Premier Mr. Modi and the Japanese Premier of that time Mr. Abe in October 2017. The timeline envisaged was completion by December 2023. To execute the project, the Government of India has formed a corporation named National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited, and the central government holds a 50% stake there, and 25% of the stake is held by either of the two implementing states, namely Maharashtra and Gujarat. The trains will run at the speed of 320 kilometers per hour. These will be models on the line of the Japanese bullet train Shinkansen. The project cost is 1,10,000 crores of rupees, and 80% of the funding is being done by Japanese International Cooperation Agency with a soft loan at the rate of 0.1% and repayment period of 50 years with initial moratorium of 15 years. We have details of the project in a PowerPoint which we'll show to you now. This is our Premier Mr. Modi and Japanese Premier Mr. Abe, happy at the time of the agreement. They are standing in front of a Japanese Shinkansen on which our bullet train will be modeled. This is the Japanese Shinkansen. Our bullet train will be modeled on the same lines. This is the route of the bullet train. It will run from Pandra-Kurla complex, Mumbai to Ahmedabad, will with total 12 stations en route. You can see Thane, Virar, Boisar, Vapi, Valsad, Surat, Bharuch, Vadodara, Anand and Ahmedabad. These are the details, friends. So, the major part or section of the project will be elevated one, and partly it will run under sea also. These are the key figures. Elevated track will be 468 kilometers, underground 27 kilometers, at grade 13 kilometers. Maximum speed 350 kilometers per hour, operational speed 320 kilometers per hour, average speed will be 250 kilometers per hour. Project cost already I have told. GCAI is funding it liberally. The Government of India will chip in with 17,000 crores and Government of Maharashtra and Gujarat each with 5,000 crores. 88,000 crores is soft funding by the GCA. Recently, Larsen & Toubro has won the financial bid for design and construction of 237 km length of the viaduct for 508 kilometers of the high speed corridor. L&T has emerged as the lowest bidder. With this, the process has gathered speed, and we are hopeful that in near future, all of us will see the Indian bullet train running and enjoy the ride. So, we wish you a happy ride on the bullet train, friends. Good night, all the best. If you like the details, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and please press the bell button also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night.